If you want to shoot tabletop videos straight down, then you're going to need this and this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You know, I like showing you stuff up close, including this mug. But a lot of times I like putting things on the table and having my camera film straight down on them so that I can show you the details. And sometimes I've actually found it hard to get good shots. And the reason is because I have this janky, made-up contraption that I actually have to brace my phone in with number 2 pencils, Dixon Ticonderogas, in case you're interested. Now, that has worked all right. It kind of holds the phone in place, but it doesn't allow me to move it to different depths to show you more detail, and it's about to fall apart at any time. So I picked up something that might help improve that experience for you, and this is what I picked up. This is also a separate little piece that came in a little bag in the kit here, and this is just your extendable arm. It looks like your standard microphone boom arm on springs. It's very light, probably aluminum, and you can see here we have some thumb screws so you can tighten this down or tighten it up so that it doesn't move. You know, it's probably only about 2.5 feet long, but that should be perfect. And then on this end, we have a little peg there, and that will fit into the hole right here because this will clamp to the table. So if you are filming on a table, tabletop reviews, then you can brace it in like this, and then this will also twist so that you can move it out of the way. Now, the most important thing is this end right here. As you can see, it comes with this clamp on the end. It has this little twist collar right here, kind of like the old dashboard GPS holder, so you can tighten that down once you get it in position. But because now I can open this up, I can put my phone in there and it will clamp it in place, and then I can move this up and down, pivot it around, and it should allow me to get some shots from higher up or move it down closer. So let's go ahead and get this set up and try it out. All right, so here it is set up, and you can see I've got it attached to the table there. And what I like about this articulating arm is I can move it like this, and it actually keeps the phone steady even when I move it up and down, which is kind of nice. So you can see, big clamp right there, big phone in there, and so now I can move this to wherever I need to, depending on what I am showing you. So if you're looking for an articulating arm that's just like your boom microphone arms, but meant for phones, then I think you are going to love this. If this is going to help you film a little bit better, I will put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than